How do I file a medical malpractice complaint? In recent news, many individuals are seeking clarity on how to file a medical malpractice complaint. With rising concerns about patient safety, this topic is more relevant than ever. If you or someone you know has experienced a medical issue due to a healthcare provider's actions, understanding the complaint process is essential. Here is what you need to know. To begin, gather detailed information about the healthcare provider involved. This includes their full name, practice address, and specific dates of the incident. It is crucial to be as detailed as possible when documenting what occurred. Keep in mind that anonymous complaints are generally not accepted. Your contact information will be verified so that communication can occur during the investigation. The process for filing a complaint can vary by location. Typically, you will file your complaint through the medical licensing board or regulatory agency in your state. For instance, in Texas, you can submit your complaint electronically using an online form, mail a printed form, or call a hotline to request a form. The board will review your complaint to determine if it falls within their jurisdiction, and they will investigate those that do. It is important to note that medical malpractice claims requiring proving for legal elements. First, the healthcare provider must have owed a duty of care to the patient. Second, they must have breached that duty by failing to meet accepted medical standards. Third, the breach must have directly caused injury. Finally, the injury must have resulted in measurable damages, such as medical expenses or pain and suffering. Filing a complaint with a medical board focuses on professional conduct and licensing issues. This is different from seeking financial compensation, which requires a separate civil lawsuit. If your complaint involves issues like insurance coverage or payments, those should be directed to relevant insurance regulatory bodies. Additionally, complaints about bedside manner or office staff behavior usually do not fall under medical board jurisdiction unless they involve violations of professional conduct rules. In summary, filing a medical malpractice complaint involves collecting detailed information about the healthcare provider and the incident. You will need to submit a written complaint to the appropriate medical board or regulatory agency. Understand that the board investigates licensing and professional conduct issues, not insurance or compensation claims. Be prepared to provide evidence and cooperate during the investigation, which may take several months.